A Rube Golderg machine does a simple task in an overly complicated way.
Have you ever heard the word Rube Golderg machine before? Our teacher gave us a group project about the Rube Golderg machine. So, we decided to explain you what is Rube Golderg machine. The Rube Golderg machine is a machine that has been designed by using various materials and overly complicated way. The simplicity of this machine could be we use the tape wrapped around the bottles, and the complexity of this probably would be the parts that make everything in this machine fit without stopping. Because if it stops, we have to do it again.
In our second step, it's time to decide what task we would want our machine to do. We decided to let it score a bowling strike for us and a mini bowling game. But in the end, we switched it up and decided to go for our second choice, which is to let our crystal ball join its friends in a mini bottle.
Crystal ball is the first one. To its bottles of water, cardboard, dominoes, and tape. Dominoes are our favorite of all the materials, like it makes our machine interesting to satisfy the audience. When the crystal ball flows, it can be seen easily in a bottle. So that is the reason why we choose bottles.
For our machine, we decided to do a simple design. We couldn't do much complex design because we had to do our projects at school and we didn't have a lot of materials that we could use. So we decided to do a simple tunnel and with a few bottle caps to keep the ball spinning and make it a bit more fun.
First step, cut all bottles that we have and connect 3 bottles together to form a long pipe and collect the bottle caps. Start by bringing the first set of bottle and stick it on the cardboard. After that, take the second set of bottle and cut them a bit so that the crystal ball can go through. And also do the same with the third set of bottles. Then tape together the bottles cap you kept to delay time. And do the same thing by taking another set of plastic bottles and connecting them with a slight angle. And using the bottle caps and the sets of bottles to make the same like we did before. After that, the bottle caps are now attached so that the crystal ball could go on through the domino that we had been arranged. And let the dominoes keep falling on top of each other until the last domino falls. And hit the crystal ball so that it rolls and hit the bowling ball that was placed. Or another way we think of it is at the end of the last set of crystal ball falling into the plastic bottles. It will fall into the bottle that support it. And this is the whole main thought of our group.
As you can see, most of the materials of our Rube Golderg machines are made by using a bottle of water. We have to cut the bottom of the water and make a hole outside of it by using a cutter and scissors. Therefore, you have to avoid getting cut from it during the working process.
The success of this experiment made the crystal ball go into the container, therefore it can be related to our daily life. For this reason, we can use garbage or the item that we do not use to make it more useful. As can be seen, the problem with this machine it should be step 2 before the crystal ball came down to the next chute because it's always stopped. The situation that we decide to do is we find a piece of wood, paste on the top of the plastic bottle to make the crystal ball run full. After we do like this, the crystal ball can run smoothly to the destination.
You can also use cups to create a little lift and make the ball's weight more sufficient and useful. Or you can use a toy car to make your ball go and make it a more creative and fun way to do a chain reaction. But we use bottle caps so we can make our ball go down another pad which differentiate them from other bottles.
must use a lot of equipment such as tape, glue, scissors, cutter, cardboard, domino, or much more. All of the equipment must be purchased by ourselves, so we think that it is not necessary to spend money to do this. And we think it's hard to find the right place to do it because it requires a lot of space. And the last problem, our schedule don't match, so it is difficult to make an appointment to meet up. So, how to solve problems? Everyone in the group cut bottles from home and prepare their own equipment to make this machine at school together. Next, reference. We find it from social media and adapt it to suit our abilities and equipment. And learning from other group of friends about what we should do or should not do.
For encourage collaboration, doing the Rube Golderg machine requires various teamwork skills. Communication skills are the most significant teamwork skills. Everyone in the team should be able to express their opinion to make the best working and the best result. Each of members should be accept the majority of the team. If we can pass through that process, there's nothing to get anxious about the project. However, good working needs cooperation and good management to succeed in the project.
Ôi